I know you see us produce Ford content daily, but we have a Diamond Ram 1500 Covert edition that we totally transformed. Let's go. So a great repeat customer in Mr. Whitworth and his great son now have a Covert edition Ram 1500. This truck, there's a video of it, check it out up here, but we actually transformed it because it had chrome bumpers, chrome grille, chrome top surround. We painted the front and rear bumpers body color black to match, even this front grille portion up top and around the surround there. Did firecracker red on the Ram letters. That's his favorite color. Go Dogs. Morimoto headlights up top. LED XBs are amazing. The 4-banger down below as well. This has the 3.5-inch REDLINE SST kit on 35s with Moto Metal wheels, Ant Research power boards, trifold bed cover. Here's a good look out back at that black bumper. It just looks so much better. I told y'all in that video, you gotta watch it, that it should have body color bumpers. It would be next level, and it now is next level. Got it cleaned up for him. Also in the inside with the special black leather with the salsa red stitching, just enough to let you know that we are the real deal. Boom! So Akins Ford, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, don't forget it. We're knocking them out on the daily on the Ram side as well. Wild Willies, Akins, and Winder, Georgia, y'all. You know I'm your boy, so you gotta hit that subscribe button and hit like as well, because on the daily, we're bringing you diamonds.